Welcome to the Smart HR YouTube channel. Before start the video, please click the subscribe button, and click the bell icon, then you can receive the new notification, for my channel updates. Today we are going to look at, how to check the male grammar errors in Grammarly. See, there is lot of grammar errors. In this video we are going to show, how to solve this male grammar errors. Now, I am going to open the Google Chrome. Then type, Grammarly.com. I'm using Grammarly Premium account, but, we can use normal account also. Click New icon. We can type our content, but I'm copy the mail and paste it. Select all the mail content, and copy it. Then open the Google Chrome. And paste the mail content. Grammarly is analyzing the grammar errors in resignation letter content. See, it's showing correct word. Then click the correct word. Suddenly, changed the error word. This method is using all error words. Please follow, and do what I do. Please, like, share, and subscribe, Smart HR YouTube channel. Please, like, share, and subscribe, Smart HR YouTube channel. See, all errors has been cleared. Now, I'm going to copy the correct mail content. Open the Microsoft Word and paste the copied mail content. Thanks for watching this video. I hope in this video will helpful to check the grammar errors and spelling mistakes using the Grammarly. Please, like, share, and subscribe, Smart HR YouTube channel.